Hello everyone, welcome to Art Spot. If you are new to resin art, you might be wondering where to start and what supplies to get. Today I will show you the basic items you need to start creating beautiful resin art. So let's get started. This is the very basic kit you need as a beginner, and you can add more items as you proceed in this art. First we have is epoxy resin. This usually comes in two parts, the resin and the hardener. You mix them together to make the resin harden and become shiny. You have to follow the instructions of the vendor to what ratio you need. Here we have 2:1 resin. So we have two parts of resin and one part of hardener. Next, you need something to mix your resin in. Here we are showing you the plastic disposable cups. You can also use paper cups or silicone cups. Next, we have the stirring sticks. You can use the ice cream sticks or silicone spatula. We also need skewer sticks for some designs, for fine lines or creating the depth. These are the mica colors. These are powder form of colors and these are used in the resin. One other color that is mainly used in resin art is alcohol ink. This is a transparent type of ink that you can use in resin. This is the bubble buster. It is also called isopropyl alcohol. So you just need to spray it on the surface of your resin after pouring and it reduces the bubbles. You also need gloves to protect your hands because resin is very sticky, and once it is cured, it is really hard to remove it from your hands. You need fire glass if you want extra depth in your articles. You have fire glass. You need heat tool, which is this heat gun. This is a small heat gun with low setting. It is very good for beginners. And next, you also need a weighing scale. Always measure the resin by weighing it. This is the silver foil. You can use golden, copper or rose gold foil. All colors are available in the market. This is the basic coaster, 5-inch A-gate coaster. And here we have the ABC mold for making the keychains. You can also use bookmark mold and tassels to make cute bookmarks. This is the jewelry mold. You can make pendants, earrings, or maybe name tags with these. So these are some basic molds. Then you need key rings to attach to your keychains. You can have golden or silver or both. Then you need the leveler to make sure the space is leveled where you're working, and you also need flame torch, but make sure to use it very carefully. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like and comment on the video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos.